I got all my stuff prepped. Here's my harness. Here's my hiking backpack. This thing is awesome. I throw in straps in there, some shackles, and I take that with me. These hiking sticks come in handy. A lot of the stuff I do is steep and I'm always clumsy and falling. They keep me stabilized. I'm gonna try to use my new GoPro chest mount. Dave's over there setting up big flipper. So let me take a walk over there. See how he's doing. Officers got a lane down there blocked off and one up top. I told them they can keep this lane open. It's the beauty about using our rotators is on 2-lane passes like this, you don't have to shut down the whole thing for hours like a lot of people do. Hello, Dave. Ooh, yeah, you can kind of get the steepness from here. I'm standing level. They actually didn't come this way. They came from the other side of this bush, but it's way more difficult. There's a lot of branches and trees. I did a McLaren job about a year ago and I went through that stuff and no thank you. So this is the way we're gonna get it. I'm gonna put the winch to the back of me, carry the backpack with the straps. Probably gonna use rim slings. There's not a lot of stuff here that will cut them, and I got fire hose protectors for them, so I think slings would be the best method here. Bring it up to this hill, swing it up and out, right onto the flatbed. Debating on taking this thing down with me or using the chest mount. Might use both. Let's get this ready. I am rigged. All right, now we start the descent. Oh yeah, that's perfect, man. So I got my 360-degree camera with me. I'm gonna pull it up so you guys can see how I'm being winched down here. You know what's weird? These car parts that I see down here are silver and that car's black. Hey. I feel like Michael Jackson in Smooth Criminal right now. I need to keep my balance. I'm gonna stop this until I get closer. All right. Cable, please. Getting it past these rocks might be a bit difficult. It's up at a weird spot. Cable? Can you hear me? Oh, there we go. I have my volume down. Alright. No, that's good for now. Let me walk it over and see where I'm at. Cable reaches, I'm good on this. Yes. Woo! Hot. Okay. side down, one more to go. All right, so I'm rigged. Dave's gonna tighten up the line. Oh man, let me get my balance. Show you guys what it looks like on the side. It's pretty banged up and it's stuck on rocks, but that's nothing too big, flipper. No, your line of action's perfect. I'm gonna just stand here while Dave does his magic with big flipper. All those rocks right there mean nothing to big flipper. Look at that. All right, Dave, hold it there. I'm gonna just throw those pieces that fell off in the back seat. Okay, Dave's gonna continue to winch in. I picked up all the surrounding debris right here that was from this car. There's a lot of junk around here. Looks like a dumping on all kinds of different car parts, truck parts. You see old computers. So I just put what was from the car. And there she goes. You might want to start swinging towards your tail, Dave. You're going through the branches. Right there. That way you can clear that rock to your driver front left. You know what? Do me a favor, hold it there. I'm gonna get back up here so I can get this. Well, that's pretty cool. Time to get the flatbed. I'm gonna just back it up so we can drive it up. Oh my goodness, man, I'm either getting old or the weather's getting hot, because this one kicked my butt. It's about a third of the distance I'm usually used to, but the steepness made this one very difficult with the heat. I need to hit the gym, get my cardio back up. Again, in case you guys missed the beginning, the occupant did survive. She crashed this morning, but luckily no injuries, and was hoisted back up by fire department. There's our knuckle boom I was talking about. This thing's a bad toy, man. It's got us out of a pinch. It's no big flipper, but it's pretty cool. that was a fun job. I'm over here still catching my breath. I'm gonna just put some safety straps up in the front, put the bed away. They pretty much shoved all that stuff back to the side, all the dirt. We're gonna put our equipment away and then we're done here. Off to my air conditioned office I go, hopefully. Peace out.